Hi, I'm Adam from Lab Supply, and in Focus this week, we take a look at the climate chambers from Memmert, the HPPeco series. These units control temperature between 0 to 70 degrees. They also control humidity between the ranges of 10 to 90% relative humidity. This unit here is the 410 unit to 384 litre capacity. The HPP series operates with Advanced Peltier Technology. In continuous operation, compared to compressor-based cooling devices, it operates about 90% more efficiently. It doesn't require any refrigerant, which makes it virtually maintenance-free. The HPP Eco climate chambers are designed for stability testing according to the ICH guidelines. There are many other applications, including seed germination and plant cultivation using optional lights. The light options are 6500K cold lights or 2700K warm lights or a combination of both. Due to the advanced Peltier technology, the system doesn't vibrate like compressor-based systems. Therefore, it's ideal for growing insects, Drosophila, or zebrafish. Want to know more about the HPP climate chambers? Contact Lab Supply today. We're happy to offer specialist advice and hear about your applications and use.